Hello everyone, today we're riding Woolsey Canyon Road. Woolsey Canyon Road is 2 miles long and it has 26 gentle curves. As you can see from the elevation profile, the 800-foot or so rise is slow and steady. The Chatsworth Nature Preserve is at the base of Woolsey Canyon Road where we're starting. Here's the top of Woolsey Canyon Road. Let's talk about some history. At the top of this mountain sits the Santa Susana Field Laboratory, once a top-secret Rocketdyne test facility where rocket engines and nuclear reactors were developed during the Cold War and the space race era. Behind this heavily guarded and armed gate is the site of the partial nuclear reactor meltdown, one of the worst nuclear accidents in US history, which was hidden from the public for decades. There have been allegations of radioactive and chemical contamination, reports of health issues and cancer clusters in nearby communities, years of cleanup battle, litigation, and environmental studies, ongoing debates about the extent of the contamination and cleanup timelines, and to this day, the site remains the subject of environmental oversight, community activism, and historical scrutiny. As if that wasn't bad enough, in 2018, the Woolsey Fire started at the Santa Susana site. The high winds carried the fire all the way down to the beach. It burned over 100,000 acres. It took a lot of homes and too many lives. This was the view from my house, too close for comfort. Okay, back to motorcycles. Let's head down Woolsey Canyon. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this so I can keep making more.